everybody, and I have to get a video out to you guys tomorrow. Thank you for all the views on my bologna salad and my pasta salad. Who knew that anybody would be interested? But
she made that, and I'll tell you what, it is presently being eaten, and it'll be gone.
We will be eating more of it today.
Exactly, probably for breakfast.
Probably for breakfast, which is really lunch in our case, but you know, it's breakfast. And I don't mind it because it's quick and it's easy, and Ronnie loves it, and that's all that counts.
Let me tell you guys something. That pasta salad that she made too, oh, it was so good.
Yeah, he loved it. Anyways, we are up. We are having our coffee. You can see him over here on the couch drinking his coffee. We slept in this morning. Let me tell you about my day yesterday. We went to the gym, and I could have napped in the pool. I was that tired. Then we came home, and we ate, and his mom and dad wanted us to come next door and visit them. If you guys are new to my channel, my in-laws are my neighbors. And we go over quite often, say hello, and stay a few minutes and visit. But last night, there was no way we was walking over there. It was too far. We were so tired.
That's just a few steps following the fence line.
Yeah, literally.
And we have been busy all week. I mean, all week long.
All week long.
We've done everything from shopping. We've been everywhere. Seems like.
Yes, we've been everywhere.
I'm ready for a rest. Thank you.
And we even moved. We moved more of my mother-in-law's stuff next door, and that was a job. And then Ronnie helped me move giant mattresses and furniture, and we were just exhausted from our week.
The whole cedar chest in there.
Yeah.
You know, like an oak chest.
Mm-hmm.
By myself. And
by himself.
We picked up a big queen-size mattress, and you know how flimsy the mattresses can
Well,
get.
this mattress is one of those really heavy, what do they call that, microfiber?
Yeah.
Fiber mattresses. Anyway, it's heavy. And so we had fun. We had fun. My arms hurt for a couple of days. But anyways, today I'm going...
Itself, didn't we, honey?
Yes. Today I am going to be filming the reality of a busy woman. Because I'm going to tell you guys, I've been thinking about this for a while. When I started doing YouTube, I was watching other YouTubers, and their videoing was shoddy, but it was real, and it was a real day in the life. It was real messes. It was inexpensive ways to organize, and it was within budget. And I gotta tell you, even though some of these YouTubers have made it to greatness on YouTube, and they've got better cameras and bigger houses and perfect lighting, I'm not as intrigued by their videos because it seems a bit fakish. And please understand, I am not criticizing any YouTuber. I am so happy for them. But for me personally, when I watch, I want to be able to relate to somebody. And I want to be able to relate with the commonness that, hey, you are my sister and brother in the almighty make it every day, live on a budget. We don't have perfect, beautiful houses with, you know, everything that we would like to have in our homes. I love my home. I'm very happy with my house because it is Ronnie and mine. And we are working on it step by step. And in fact, they're supposed to come before the end of the week and start working on our house this week. And so we are very proud of our home. It's not perfect, but I know that a lot of you viewers do not live in big fancy houses with giant budgets that you can bust through. And I like to keep my videos very real and my content relatable. So I want to tell you guys that yesterday I was exhausted and I fell asleep at 10 o'clock. And yes, I slept 12 and a half hours. I was that exhausted. I'm a real person. I did not get up at 5 a.m. and hit the floor running.
You only slept 11 and a half hours, baby.
11 and a half hours? Okay, 11 and a half hours. See, I'm so out of it, I can't even count. But anyways, I have supper dishes in the sink from last night. that I did not do. I have clothes in the chair in front of me that I did not fold. I am a real person, and I'm going to take you through the day with me to show you the reality of a busy woman. So I am doing my first load of laundry. This is all of most of it, and I pulled some extras in to make a full load. But this is all of our gym stuff from yesterday. Usually I wash it when I walk right into the door when I get home from the gym, but did not get to it last night. So I'm using these Gain Pods. Love these things. They smell really good. Just toss them in there. And then I use my Downy Fresh, what's it called? Fresh Protect. This smells so good. So good. And I also will have a set of bedding to do today because I haven't done it in a week and it needs to be done. So I'm going to start with my laundry and get it on. A much needed second pot of coffee is going to be made. So I love this machine. It is so easy and it is so fast. This is like the fastest brewing pot of coffee ever. We are just having the Great Value 100% Colombian ground coffee. We love this. It smells good. And look, I got coffee all over my counters. Anyhow, real life, people, real life. Okay guys, forgive no makeup, but this is one of those for real videos that you guys like so much. So I just unloaded the dryer with my last load and my last part of that load because see I have a duvet and all my sheets, so I dried my sheets first and now my duvet's in there finishing. My father-in-law called, said that he scored some steaks for dinner. And so we're going to have steak tonight. And so I'm supposed to be over there in about 20 minutes. And I told Ronnie that I was going to tackle the kitchen really quickly before I have to go over there. And so I got to wash the sink full of dishes and wipe down the countertops. It's not real bad, but I just want to get it tidy in here. And I'm going to run the mop in here real quick. And my duvet should be dry. And then when I come back from his house, I can go upstairs, make my bed, and fold up all my laundry, I hope. You know, I have no issue with the washing, drying. It's the folding and putting up process that seems to keep becoming unraveled with me. But today we're going to conquer it. Yes, we are. We are going to conquer it. Have I also told you that the reason why I cut my head off is because of my gray hair? Look at that. Guys, I need to color my hair so bad. So bad. Maybe I'll get to that before the weekend. You never can tell. Never can tell. guys, late last night my phone died while I was making my bed. Well, my camera died when I was making my bed, and I did not get it completely filmed. But I made the bed, and when I got that done, I went to bed. So I did not get my closing in on this video. But I just wanted to come in and just say thank you so much for watching. And I hope that you all you moms out there, have a beautiful and wonderful, well-deserved Mother's Day weekend. And if you have a mom, be sure to call her and tell her how much that you appreciate her. You know, tackling the task of a household isn't always easy. Sometimes we fall behind because life happens and we play catch up a lot of the time. But you have to be rewarded for some effort and for keep plugging at it. Remember, there's no such thing as a perfect house, but there is a house that is full of love. And that is what I have here, and I'm so grateful this Mother's Day. So if you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you belong to Kiddos Corral. It looks like it's the next day, actually, since I made the bed, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty sunny day today, and I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. I'm certainly going to try to enjoy, and you guys enjoy as well. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.